Ngayon, bibili ako ng flower. Regalo ko sa dalawa. Akala nila na kami. Happy Mother's Day. Saan mo ito pinag-mother? Thank you, thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Very good, mom. Thank you, mom, for your very good flower, ma'am. Dahil, really ko happy and thank you for making us today's
Mother's Day.
Mother, thank you so much. Appreciate it much.
Okay.
More and more and more.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. What is that? Yes. Especially for
Wow, ganda-ganda.
Thank you, guys. Speechless. Oh, grabe, Day. Very special naman, Day. Ang ganda naman ito.
Okay.